Today, me and my best friend will show you how to make a box cake with homemade icing. First, you're gonna put your mix in the bowl.
And now we add 2 shots of vegetable oil.
And now we add 3 eggs. I didn't get any shells in there, surprisingly. This egg didn't even break my glass. That's nice. Here you go, here it comes.
Oh, thanks.
And now you're gonna need a cup of water. And just whisk it all up. Whisk it all up. Beautiful. And now we're gonna add our wet to our dry slowly whilst mixing. Okay, that's enough. Just get it all in there. Oh, it smells good.
Does it?
Smell it.
Oh, it does smell really good.
And now we're gonna add our sprinkles. And we're gonna mix. Yay! And now we're gonna add it to our pre-buttered pans. They're the same size. Say hi! I need to help us. Now we're going to take 1/3 cup of unsalted butter and pop that in the microwave till it's soft.
We're fancy in this house.
And we're going to use this mixer to mix our softened butter, which I made a little too soft.
We may have to redo it.
We're not going to have to redo it. It's fine.
The melted butter isn't gonna. Okay, when we fail at this, it's your fault.
On a low setting, you're going to take 3 cups. I'm going to break 3 cups of powdered sugar and 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. And you are going to, I know, I'll clean it up. We're going to mix that on a low setting until it starts whipping. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla for some flavor and 2 tablespoons of milk. And you're going to mix until it's whipped. Our cakes just came out of the oven. They're a nice golden brown. And we just finished making our icing. We're going to add some sprinkles to our icing so it matches the funfetti theme. We just took them out of the pans and we're going to let them cool a bit before we start frosting them. Our cakes have cooled. Now we're going to add our icing. I'm just going to add a thick blob and then I'm going to spread. Yeah, this doesn't really return very well. I'm just going to spread it out evenly. This is so we have a layer in between the cakes so the cakes stick better and they also will taste a bit better with that. There it is! Wait. There it is.
It's a big E. You can put English on there?
No, I'm just gonna do ENG.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow, Ella, I see it everywhere. Look. I'm gonna be so sparkly now.
Here's a nice slice of cake cut. Looks beautiful. Oh, it's crunchy.
What'd you just crunch?
You know what? It's not bad. I also haven't had anything to eat today. That's probably why.
No. Ella, what are you doing?
She likes it. See? Dog approved.